This is where my roof leak was. I painted it over. It stopped it from leaking. Now all I do is I come up here on this flat roof and I put another coat of sealer on it every 2 months. I've saved thousands and thousands of dollars by doing this and not having to call a roofer to re-roof this. Now I've got my system of towels. This is where the water sits right here when it rains, and that's why I had the roof leak to begin with. Water just sits there and penetrates through the roof. Now I got my towels down, and this will absorb the water and take it over the side of the roof and keep this relatively dry.